Hansraj College, English honors, then Micah for advertising and PR, that what you did. And आपने ये सब करने के साथ साथ you've also done managed comms for some of the legends of the industry like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
And by God's grace, it was serendipity with publishing. In a way, it happened on its own. My friends in journalism, and now if I look back at them, and a lot of them are journalists, it's like यार मुझे नहीं करना था ये बहुत अच्छा हुआ जो हुआ है, because I really I'm enjoying what I'm doing, and I hadn't thought of it. I thought I would be, in fact, I interned with Hindustan Times.
वहाँ से we moved in there, you wanted to be a professor, everything. और फिर वहाँ से marketing और PR. तो ये transition as you जिसे कहते हैं ना कि you kind of get into something and then you keep knocking off all the wrongs कि ये नहीं करना है, ये भी नहीं करना है, ये भी नहीं करना है, तो फिर चलो ये जो बच गया वही है, like that. So वो ऐसा था या जैसे अभी आपने बोला कि by fluke हो गया.
वो by fluke ही हुआ है.
अच्छा.
हाँ, so by fluke हुआ और वो fluke इतना सही बैठा from the first thing that I haven't changed the industry in 17 years. So I have been only, and there were a lot of chances, there are affiliated industries also. There is Amazon.
What was Aman going through at that time when this was happening?
I think, back in that time, it was, so for me, like I said, I've told you, I've given you the background, okay, from coming from. For me, everything was, I was very starry-eyed, fully. So I wanted to do my best, be like, whatever, kuch bhi, matlab, this is like I'm living my dream. So I think I'd never had the time to be nervous. It's more than to be actually just to be, from one thing to the other. Raat ko aa rahe hain 12 baje, sab kuch khatam karke. So I don't think I ever had the time or the added pressure per se. And then, in publishing, but what actually happens is that, yes, the nervousness, over a period of time, you start looking at them as an author, then being very, very, like I said, I was starry-eyed in the beginning. And then later I worked with, say, Karan Johar, Kareena, all of their books and so on. By this time, when I was working with the Bollywood celebrities, then it wasn't bothering me. I wasn't now awestruck or anything. Because then I'd already worked with the celebrities and things like that. But yes, in the beginning, it's likely that you feel like you've got. It's more about proving yourself because these guys, like I said, they can see through you. You can't just make a pitch. You know what I mean?
Right.
It has to be thought through, and you have to be an authority of what you're doing.
So almost a decade of marketing PR with publication.
Almost 2 decades.
Almost 2. Sorry, my bad. Almost 2 decades of this in publishing marketing. So how have you seen it changing, over a period of time? क्योंकि आप उस वक्त से भी थे जब ये this whole, क्योंकि आजकल मुझे लगता है कि the entire marketing and everything is all about reels and these kind of social media stuff. And again, I'm not trying to belittle anything, but
absolutely,
earlier it was was more meaningful, so to say. There was a lot of thought process, a lot of other channels that need to be activated and stuff. वैसा था. So how have you seen, being in that industry for close to 2 decades now, how have you seen that thing change?
I think one, that the coffee is a lot better now.
Achha.
The industry's kind of grown, so then now you get like it's the bigger offices, better. My office is in Cyber Hub right now, so things like that. And so from the time it began, and now jokes apart, I also started on the Buxa computer with the keyboard, and now it's a different thing.
Yeah.
So that has changed definitely, but I think see, that time there were lesser avenues and very defined ones. So I wouldn't say I think it's grown for better. The readership has grown. A lot of the avenues have grown. We're all from the times of Orkut. There was nothing back in that time.
Right.
Testimonials, and that is not an area you could promote. Now you have multiple areas to promote, and a reader has different areas to discover a new book. Earlier, it was only and only your bookstores that you could go to, and which I absolutely think that is the best place to buy a book still. However, you have Amazon, where now the good thing with Amazon, or say the online sellers, is that one would have never thought that आपको मेघालय में जाके ये वाला particular book मिलेगा, वरना आप book store में order करेंगे और आपको it would come after like say a month.
Right.
Now at any pin code you can get a book. You know, so that has changed. That has drastically changed, which is for good, and very good for like people reading. You know, see outside our country, people are reading. People read to their kids every night. You
Yes.
know? And so that kind of stuff only happens and becomes better when the accessibility of those things gets better. So baby steps, and I think it's gotten better. Now there are multiple areas to promote the book. That is what I would say, and I think it's for better. And yes, you're right. So back in the day, an author is only, it was got speaking from the stage, or there were just media articles, TV interviews at max.
Right.
Right now, we are making them do very funny stuff on Reels also. I mean, for certain authors, one would have thought as like complete, these are complete no nonsense, a very serious subject, and we have, like I said, that you know, we have them do style check with them also. So, so like that.
So, आपके हिसाब से over this entire period, you rightly pointed out that accessibility has become better. Things to promote have changed.
Yes.
तो as per you, सबसे ज़्यादा revolutionary चीज़ क्या हुई है which has really changed the face of marketing in the publication industry?
सबसे ज़्यादा revolutionary. I think revolutionary happened around. See, I don't want to say revolutionary because that is like a very, very, so like I said, the core of it is the same. Abhi. People are reading books. There's reading audience, and then there is non-reading audience, which is starting to read. In that area, something radical happened. Is when there was easily written fiction priced many years back, around 2010 or something, priced at 99 rupees. That changed the game for a lot of people, for school students to be reading, and this was something like, you know, your 5 point someones and things like that.
Right.
It did actually bring in a lot of non-readers who always thought a book is a very tough area.
Right.
As a result of that, okay, I'm going back to your previous question as to whatever you'd said. As a result of that, a lot of new people have come, and now publishing is not just about very heavy literature. Or the non-fiction books, which is also very much there. A non-fiction book by, you know, Mr. Ghosh or Dr. Guha. There is also an in-between space that has created. Those people who started reading with the easy thing, they graduated, they started reading slightly better, and now you have more, and now they're reading, and then the consumption, and I think, like this said Mahatma Gandhi, you must read the book. It's a country is known. A person who reads the book is absolutely, you know it all in that case. So it's absolutely very important to basically, for those people to have explored this area and read books, and they've graduated to better books, and the readership right now is not a very judgmental one.
Okay. What does that mean?
Pehle, you know, everybody was like, if it is heavy literature and if it is very cerebral, then I'm going to read, then I'm a reader.
Achha.
Right now, the reader is not judging ke agar hamara author is going on Reels also. They're happy. So they're newer, younger people. We are doing things for a lot of, so they're different. And that is very important, to basically publish and also to market for the generation next.
अच्छा, एक curiosity question है. Are you like a hard paper sort of a reader, or are you more of like the Kindle types?
मैं transitional reader हूँ. I was the completely print book reader. Even right now, a lot of things I write on longhand, and then I go and do my things. I take my notes in longhand. But I also, Kindle, I don't really do so much unless I'm like really flying, because it's easier, the ease of it. But I'm a lot on audiobooks.
Acha.
Car mein. So this audiobooks is something, it's very, very easy. So you'd have somebody narrate it to you and things like that. So that's a lot easier. It saves on time for me.
This actually brings me to a very interesting question. आजकल मेरे पास भी है वो ऐप actually, which tells you कि आप 10 मिनट में बुक पढ़ लें. मतलब बेसिकली वो
नहीं, मैं वो ऑडियो बुक रीडर हूँ.
हाँ, बट मैं आपसे
which is wrong actually.
Which is wrong, I know. आजकल everything has become a matter of convenience, right? And then you also want to be relevant. Relevant in the sense that when you are sitting in a forum and if there is a book that is being talked about, you want to contribute. अभी आपने वो पढ़ी है या नहीं पढ़ी है मालूम नहीं है. तो आजकल there are these apps which kind of break down the entire book into 10 chapters. Each chapter is say 3-4 minutes, and you know there'll be somebody who will read
a lot
it.
on YouTube.
हाँ, YouTube पे भी, and there are apps also.
Apps also, yes.
तो मैंने एक दिन सुना, मेरे को लगा चलो आई डाउनलोडेड इट एंड बिफोर यू हिट द बेड यू रन इट, इट्स 15-20 minutes and it completes one book. So what I want to ask you is that purely from a commercial standpoint, when you have these apps and then there is this, 7 habits of highly effective people, right? अब ये book में उसने 7 चैप्टर में 7 हैबिट्स बता दी, 21 मिनट में मेरा वो ख़त्म हो गया, 3 मिनट का एक चैप्टर. तो ये सब लोग जब कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं, हैज़ दैट इम्पैक्टेड द सेल्स, द रेवेन्यूज़, और ये अलग कम्युनिटी और वो अलग कम्युनिटी है, तो ऐसे ऐप्स भले ही बनते रहें बट इसका कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. आई मीन, इज इट लाइक दैट? व्हाट इज़ बीन योर experience of this?
I'm going to be absolutely honest. No, it does affect. It does affect. And I will club it into piracy overall.
अच्छा.
This is piracy only ना. आप abridge करके उसमें से निकाल के आप उसको condensed version में आप बेच रहे हो, which is absolutely not right, because it's not right on the reader also, because reading is an immersive experience. If you're reading at night and things like that, आप gradually आप समझ रहे हो concept को. Concept में distill करके, this is like, back when I was studying literature, there's something called Spark Notes.
अच्छा.
ओके, तो वो पूरी की पूरी उसको आप पूरी बुक के अंदर सब कैरेक्टर का कैरेक्टराइजेशन देते हैं, और अगर आपको वो दैट्स लाइक समथिंग वी वुड कॉल इट कुंजी ना, इन अ वे इट्स लाइक दैट गाइड बुक, इट्स दैट रामजी लाल ऑफ व्हाटएवर. सो नो, सो दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली नॉट राइट. एंड यस, रेवेन्यू वाइज इट डज इम्पैक्ट. एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू, एज मेनी बुक्स दैट अ पब्लिशर इज एथिकली सेलिंग, इट इज द, I could be exaggerating maybe just a tiny bit, but I think उतना ही pirated सामान है. जितनी अगर मैं X बेच रहा हूँ तो X ही मार्केट में पायरेसी भी हो रही है. So yes, that's impacting a lot of the publishing revenue. And it is so staggered, and it's so easy for people to do, because आप photocopy कर रहे हैं लोग. That is one part of this thing, which is a lot of colleges is this thing. Then you have these street sellers that what this thing, and they're selling it at half the price. This is absolutely wrong on the author also. No? The royalties are also absolutely, that's getting impacted.
But there is no legal cover for this?
There's legal cover. We talk to the, there are a lot of raids time and again that happens. But I think it is so disintegrated, the thing. It's in different portion, different places, different small presses, and so the press thing, आपको अपना visiting card भी कराना हो तो आपको कोई, you're not going to go to an India Today press for pirated material. No?
True.
So they'll have a small printing machine है, कहीं से भी बुक लेके छाप के, and then half the time those books are not even full.
Correct. Yes.
People take it and then don't realize कि वो बात के तो 5 chapters missing हैं because of they've got it or somewhere. But yes, it's heavily impacting business.
चलो, in the same breath, I'm going to ask you, आपने इतने campaigns करे, इतने लोगों के साथ काम किया, success everybody knows, we've spoken about it, we have tell me one campaign that you've done which flopped.
The one?
And what has that taught you? That's more important.
See, flop, a lot of it. I mean, it's not just one campaign that I would say has flopped or whatever. And every time it, I would never call a campaign flopping. I think it's a particular tactic that is not that's flopping. So entirety में तो सारा कुछ खराब नहीं होता है. तो there's a full-on IMC, right? And my marketing plan has multiple things. So then X has not worked, and it's only taught me to actually focus on why that's working. So that's the area. So अगर मतलब मेरा ये PR game नहीं चल रहा है किसी चीज़ पे, and I know that speaking assignments are working better, college talks are working better, and people are pre-buying books because of that, or incentivization is working better, or Amazon AMS, as you would know, is working better, or Instagram ads are working better. So I'd move to that. So I think that's dynamically changing. That's what it in every plan, certain something doesn't work, and that gives me every time a new perspective that for this genre this was work better. At this point in time, and I'm going to tell you, which is absolutely how my industry is very unique. In a year, I have more than 200 different SKUs.
Achha. Okay.
That is, every book is different. There's a book on cars. There's a book on photography. There's a book which is a literary fiction. And then there is a book about a business leader. There is no parity. So every time I'm thinking a new idea.
True.
So my marketing plan is not something that you can ever make it cookie cutter.
True.
You're thinking from the scratch.
True.
So that's why a lot of us get into the room, including the editors, because they know the story in and out, they know the characters in and out. So that too. So when we plan.
So now this is something that I read about you. You've also done a diploma in psychotherapy. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
This is very recent. Yeah.
what pushed you towards that? And पहला तो मेरा यही सवाल है आपसे.
So psychology was a part of my bachelor's also. So I have, and I've always had interest, and then Lacan and Freud and everything we've studied as part of our, of course, this thing. But psychotherapy definitely, I think, I don't know if I should say it on the camera, but my role has a lot of client servicing. Okay, so
हाँ मैं आने वाला था उस पे, अगला सवाल वही था मेरा.
ऑथर मैनेजमेंट है तो, और जब मैंने डेब्यू ऑथर भी बोला, और ऑथर में ऑथर इतना जुड़ा होता है अपनी बुक के साथ, इट्स लाइक देयर बेबी, इट्स लिटरली गिविंग इट बर्थ, व्हिच इज आल्सो अ वेरी अब्यूज्ड टर्म, सो आई डोंट लाइक टू से दैट बेबी थिंग एंड व्हाटसोएवर, बट इट्स जेन्युइनली दैट काइंड ऑफ अटैचमेंट दे हैव विद देयर बुक. एंड देन आई हैव सीन ऑथर्स क्राई,
Oh.
you know, it's they get that emotional with their work that, you know, oh, what if nobody buys it? I've seen authors getting intimidated with marketing. That, you know,
Okay.
अरे इतना सब कुछ करना पड़ेगा, because, you know, some of them are very they're very reclusive people, they're very reserved people, so there's a lot of psychotherapy goes into actually handling my authors. So yeah, it does. And besides that, I've always had a lot of interest in psychology and I've studied it before.
So आपने एक बड़े हाई लेवल पे मुझे बता दिया, but this basically helps you understanding personalities better, and
It helps me to make them understand better, to basically talk the language and to understand the person. Because I'm working with people. A lot of my work is with people. It's a lot of people work. I mean, every time it's a different author. To make them understand that what are we doing, and yes, you're in the best hands. It's important. For them, you have to talk their language. So, like I said, it's actually a lot of like, it is a lot like a therapist.
right.
You're dealing with different people.
हाँ नहीं, ऑफ कोर्स. सो
Yeah.
अब ये तो हो गई ये वाली साइड,
हाँ.
जो अपनी बुक पब्लिश करवा रही है, एंड यू नो दे नर्वस एंड वरिड, स्कैर्ड, ओवरजॉयड, व्हाटएवर दोस
Yes.
टर्म्स आर. Then there is this side of the audience, which is the actual consumers of what is going to be published.
True.
Right? So as a marketer, obviously you are working for this side to make it more marketable. At the same time, you also have to deal with that side so that they buy it.
Absolutely.
So this education that you've done, the
Yes.
diploma that you've done, does that also help you in crafting communication, messaging, etc., to be more connected or be more acceptable to this lot? इसमें कुछ फायदा?
Subconsciously. I
अच्छा.
think subconsciously. That is not very actively why. With my authors, yes, it actively helps me. But here, in terms of the end consumer, we rely more on the consumer insights.
Okay.
You know, the consumer बहुत सारे हैं ना,
Hmm.
तो उसमें मैं क्लब करके थेरेपी नहीं लगा सकता. So consumer is very this thing. So there I have to rely on the consumer insight. A lot of our consumer insights come from, say, the World Book Fair. You know, where you have people buying in bundles, you know, books, and वहाँ पता चलता है that, you know, what kind of books people are, this thing. So I, the longest time I used to love being there the whole damn day, because then I'm talking to the people and the readers coming, that then people of different age brackets come, and what are they liking? You know, like anime recently completely had really taken up over the whole thing. उससे पहले Jeff Kinney was the whole thing, and then there is, you know, Dave, a lot of books. How interest of kids also has been changing, is something that you actually understand on ground. So they're not, maybe the psychotherapy, maybe I may be able to, that's helping me actually then analyze and deduce than actually studying people. There I just simply ask questions. It's consumer insights as you usually have it in, like, say, any advertising. It's a not really organized FGD.
अच्छा. So you know, today आजकल marketing is very data driven.
Yes.
है ना, हम लोग कहते हैं कि it's a data driven, data backed, वो सब. But what you are dealing with is also very emotion driven, because reading और वो सब
Yes.
बस से connected रहता है. So you being at the center of this, how do you balance these two as a marketer?
So data is there and we work with data. However, in publishing, you don't have a very, very nuanced data नहीं होता है, you know, because we do have it. We work with one of the biggest data agencies who do trend mapping for us, who do regional sales mapping for us, and so on. So we work with that. But like I said, we don't entirely rely because on it, not entirely rely on it. The reason being that my product is very peculiar. It is that something is going to sell in Northeast and or is it going to sell in MP and things like that. I cannot just completely rely on that data कि मुझे वही करना है. So I have to test everything.
Okay.
And then every campaign, then I am gradually able to. Some things are no-brainer, like if somebody is like a big author from say Maharashtra or say Kerala and so on, वो market clear है, but उस market को इधर भी लाना है, तो और वो बड़ा करना है, and stories resonate. If you see even on Netflix, that's how much of that Korean stuff is actually. Who would have thought in India that Korean dramas would sell this much or so on? So that is very important. So if you rely on data so much now, you'd never be able to think out of the box to be able to get the Korean drama to India.
So in the same regard, virality or loyalty, what do you think matters more in the long run for a brand?
For a brand, for my brand campaigns, loyalty. For my product promotion, virality.
ये तो बड़ा politically correct answer होगा.
Politically correct इसलिए क्योंकि देख अब book मेरे केस में book and the content is the king. And अगर आप जाओगे, आप एक दुकान में जाके ये नहीं बोलोगे कि मुझे HarperCollins का book, ठीक है? You will go and say I want this author's book or I want this book. So the reader is actually publishing agnostic. What a publisher, good brand publisher does is to give you a very good product quality. So that is an assurance you get. So I don't, it's not very applicable. The brand loyalty is not too applicable to my industry is why I'd say that. And yes, but we do a lot of things for engaging, and the idea of brand for us is very important, is to increase readership in the country. So HarperCollins, we are running a campaign right now. It's called Read for Pleasure.
Read for pleasure.
Yeah. Sure. So that is like you read for this entire 2026, you read like one chapter every day. Per padho, increase and things like that. And then of course we have incentivization. We have multiple things that's running around it, which I'm not going to get into. Like there's no brand promotion, but I'm saying that's that.
नहीं, that's great. I think. अच्छा, इतना टाइम आपने ये सब किया, you've seen it all, है ना, एक तरीके से. What is that one piece of advice that you would want to give to anybody who is either trying to break into this sphere of marketing or maybe looking to switch into this sphere? What are the things that you would want to advise that person?
That's a tough one. I would say that, have a genuine respect for the content. You may or may not be a reader, and you can turn into it. You can turn into a reader. If you're joining something, you do. I mean, I have a lot of people in my team who weren't very avid readers earlier, but they're marketing different types of books, and they bring in a different perspective altogether. And it's interesting. So I am not saying you have to be a reader for sure. But the good part is when they respect the content, and all of them have turned into readers. And it's not the need of the job.
Right.
So much. You can read just a little bit and start with the campaign. It is not like that. I mean, you have to understand for different books. Like, say, for example, business books. You just have to know things like that, and then you start with the campaign. You don't have to read it cover to cover. But they've started reading in the process. So because that is they like the content, and then gradually they realize how much value it adds to you.
True.
So have a genuine, because it's very easy to market a product, but it's very difficult to market content.
True.
Content marketing is, I mean, with reels and all, it is happening recently, but I think it's, and if you see the trends also changed, it's short-lived hota hai. Even
True,
with
right.
Instagram, there's boom. With too much reels happening now, people have started, I mean, their attention span has become shorter than that of a goldfish.
True.
So that's that. And people are like, अब तो 30 seconds भी नहीं रुक रहे लोग उस पे. So
30 seconds तो
that
बहुत ज़्यादा
is
हो
where
गया.
the challenge ना, मतलब पूरी किताब पढ़नी है, आप, we have to sell that. So that's where the challenge is. So only when you respect the content, that this is actually done by the experts. This is the good content. So that respect is very important if you're joining publishing.
Okay.
That's what you bring here. It's not a reel where you're getting a quick fix.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Perfect. So that kind of closes the serious conversations that we wanted to have with you. And Now comes the
Fun
last part of our show, and as you know, our show is called Marketing Masala Market. So we kind of conclude with one masala question, which has got nothing to do with what you are doing. You know, it's completely out of context.
Which masala is this? Chaat masala hai? Peri peri?
Whichever masala you
Whichever
like
I like.
most.
Okay,
हाँ, हाँ.
good.
So
Go on.
now my question to you
Yes.
is, agar if you were a celebrity,
Okay.
like the true blue celebrity जैसे होते हैं, and you had a PR firm, PR machinery working for you, what are the three things that you would not want them to do?
Oh, if I were a celebrity, what three things I wouldn't want?
Your communication, PR, marketing, whatever. I mean,
Right.
कि वो ना करें मेरे लिए, वो क्या होंगी तीन चीजें और क्यों?
If I was a serious celebrity, one thing is what is happening right now. I wouldn't want them to call up the journalists or the paparazzi to the airport because it is so see-through. कि ये बुलाया हुआ है मैडम मैडम कौन से कपड़े हैं वो तैयार भी उतना होके आए हुए हैं and then you this thing, so it might as well not do that. So it is not just the visibility. So if you see you rarely see a Shah Rukh Khan being chased like that.
हाँ,
You
true.
know, or you rarely see Amitabh Bachchan. Of course, they have charted, so that's just also another thing. But also you would not see that because they're very fine PR machinery. Like also, you would know of like Neelufar Qureshi there, and she's does a very brilliant job with Kejo and Dharma and so on. So that's the quality of the articles that you're doing than actually doing these very small things and just to be in the public eye because.
Right.
Because then that defines you, you know, you'd be bracketed of to be a certain type. So I suppose it's very important to just start with what is the positioning that we're wanting to do. So sometimes they're just tactically ये भी करा दिया, ये भी करा दिया, सब
सारे
कुछ कर
boxes
सारे
check.
सारे boxes check कर दिया, तो उसमें आप कुछ achieve नहीं कर पा रहे हो. So that one thing I wouldn't want them to do. Second thing that I wouldn't want them to do is to stick to a type again.
अच्छा.
Positioning भी है, but again type नहीं होना चाहिए. So I would say if I were a Konkana Sen and if you are just getting me to a Rajiv Masant type of or an Anupa Chopra round table only,
हाँ.
then I'm bracketed there also. Na? Why can't I be more versatile and do 100 other things as well? So something like a more fun piece as well. So I think it's the different facets of the personality must come out. And third is to don't just put me on any cover or whatever. Na? Just keep it to the best ones. Give me the value of my buck.
Wonderful.
Yeah, so, yeah.
No, I think very, very insightful. I absolutely enjoyed my conversation with you.
pleasure.
I think it was very, very insightful to not only understand about the industry per se, but also the body of work that you've done, the people that you've worked with, and how you've seen the industry evolve over the years. It was very, very insightful. Thank you again, Aman, for taking out time, coming and sharing your wisdom and experience with us. I truly appreciate the time that we've spent together. Thank you.
My pleasure. Thank you, Ritesh.
What an insightful conversation. There were many takeaways for me. First, how the publication industry has evolved over time, new age tools and how they are used in the publication industry today, the impact of piracy in publication, and things that one needs to keep in mind if you are seeking a career in marketing and publication industry. What was yours? Do write in the comment box to let us know. Also, please like, follow, subscribe, and share our channel, and I will see you again very soon.